Hey guys, I'm here with you doing another unboxing. Let me tell you something. If they give me one more of these books, okay, I'm going to start giving these things out as Christmas gifts because I just don't need that many, okay? So, as per previous videos, I'm not being super touchy about my items, but I do have to wear these gloves. If you're looking for the story on why I'm wearing gloves, please look at the previous video where I was doing the unboxing for the Gucci Ophidia toiletries, and you'll find out why I have on gloves, but it's certainly not because I baby my items. I'm gonna tell you that right now. You know what it is. I've been on an SLG journey these past few days. You know what this is, documentation, barcodes and whatnot. I just can't get it together. You guys have to excuse me. I am trying my best with one hand to do this for you guys, okay? So, you guys should already know what this is. You see how small this is? Super excited, and I'm going to tell you why I'm excited. I'm excited because everybody who has this raves about the functionality of it and how uber convenient it is, and I really want to be a part of that club because I'm all about efficiency and convenience, and I live for it. So without further ado, absolutely it is. Look at it up close, make sure everything is good. There's not any plastic on that one. Barcodes. I'll put this over here. There's this other documentation, authenticity information. And here we are, friends. Tell all your friends about it. Keycles. It's cute. I'm not gonna lie. So my intention is to absolutely use this for my keys. I don't have many, just literally less than a handful. So I'm gonna use this for my keys, and then I'll probably do driver's license, cash card, like if I'm just running somewhere really quick. And I don't wanna take a pouch because in a perfect world, I'll just take a pouch and then have like a card case in it. But like if I'm just running somewhere super fast, which often I find myself doing, like let me just zip out real quick and zip back, then I can absolutely, I don't even need to take a pouch because who wants to take their pouch somewhere? They're just going out really quick and coming back. But I can certainly grab this out of my bag, put those necessities in there, cash, driver's license, and possibly one card, and keep it moving, please. Yes. So of course I had to get this in the damier of being to match my wallet and my Speedy 30, as well as my cosmetic case. Might as well just round off the set with that. Super excited. I'm literally about to go put my keys on this right now. Don't ask me any questions. For everybody who is looking for one of these, please comment down below. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next unboxing. I'm waiting for, let me take a deep breath. I'm waiting for, I can't even say it. I can't even get it out. It's hard to get out. I'm waiting for Lulu. Lulu stole my heart over this summer, and I've been like back and forth, silver, gold hardware, just like all over the place with it. And I finally took the plunge, so I'm waiting for Lulu. When Lulu arrives, you guys already know what time it is. I'm all over the unboxing for Lulu, so stay tuned for that. That should be my next video. I was expecting her today, but UPS is out here playing games. So I'll see you next time. Peace and love.